Welcome to our guide on getting started with Microsoft Intune. If you're looking to efficiently manage and secure your devices and applications, you're in the right place. We'll begin with a quick introduction to Microsoft Intune, setting the stage for device and application management in your organization. Microsoft Intune is a cloud-based service focused on mobile device management, or MDM, and mobile application management, or MAM. It allows you to control how your organization's devices and apps are used, protecting your company data. Intune's core features are MDM, which allows you to manage device access and security settings, and MAM, which protects corporate data within applications, even on personal devices. Now let's walk through the initial steps for setting up Microsoft Intune within your environment. To start, you need to access the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center, which is the central hub for all Intune management tasks. Within the Admin Center, configure your basic settings and ensure that all necessary user licenses are assigned to access Intune features. Next, we focus on device management, or MDM, how to enroll devices and apply organization-wide policies. Intune supports a variety of platforms, including Windows, iOS, and Android. The enrollment process varies slightly for each, but is crucial for effective device management. Device compliance policies ensure that devices meet your organization's security and health standards before gaining access to corporate resources. Configuration profiles allow you to deploy specific settings and restrictions to devices, such as pre-configuring Wi-Fi or VPN settings for seamless user experience. Moving on to application management, or MAM, which focuses on protecting your data at the app level, regardless of the device ownership. Intune lets you easily add and deploy both public store apps and line of business apps to manage devices, ensuring employees have the tools they need. App protection policies control how corporate data is used within managed apps, preventing data leakage and unauthorized sharing, even on unmanaged personal devices. Finally, effective management requires constant monitoring. Let's look at how Intune helps you keep track of your environment. Check device status and compliance reports regularly to identify any issues and ensure all devices adhere to your organizational policies. Intune provides detailed reports on device enrollment, policy compliance, and app usage, giving you valuable insights into your mobile environment. We've covered the essential steps to get you started with Microsoft Intune. By using Intune, you gain enhanced security, streamlined management of diverse devices, and flexible access for your employees while protecting corporate data. For next steps, explore the Intune documentation and community resources to deepen your expertise. Thank you for watching.